Hi everyone, my name is Sachin Sangta. I'm from Rohru in district Shimla. I'm a student of Shades College of Hospitality Management and Law, district Solan. I'm in batch 4. In this presentation, I'm going to tell you about my internship in Jaipur, Rajasthan. I done my internship in the Fern Hotel and Ecotel Jaipur. Jaipur is known as a pink city. Now I will tell you about the Fern Hotel and Ecotel. The Fern and Ecotel is a luxurious and international hotel. There are 82 properties in India and other 6 properties are located abroad, 2 in Nepal, 4 in East Africa. It is located at near International Airport Jaipur. Now I will tell you about the Fern Eco Hotel. Ecotel means eco-friendly and environmental sensitive hotels. The Fern Hotels and Resort is amongst the fastest growing hotel brands in India. The Fern is collection upscale hotels and resorts. They believe our environmental and unique things. They believe the environmental is our responsibility and believe our growing our experience and our knowledge with other peoples. And now I'm telling about the other brands of this industry. The Fern and Ecotel, the Fern Residency, Bacon, the Fern Zig, the Fern Zig Journey, the Fern Zig Living. These are other brands of this hotel. Now we discuss the hotel. It is the luxurious and business hotel. The Fern Hotel and Ecotel friendly amenities in the rooms and 20% discount on F&B and spa. It is 85 room property. It has 16 the Fern Club room inside and 1 the Fern Club suite and 4 Fern Hazard suite, 64 hazard rooms, and it has also 2 restaurants. One restaurant include coffee shop Conversation called it. It has 64 covers and provide the TDH and a la carte menu, and one located in rooftop called as Juan with bar facility and IRD. IRD means in-room dining. It has also 2 bar called as Grunge and 1 more rooftop and 3 banquet halls known as the Kanak, Kundan and Rosemary. The Fern Hotel also has 3 kitchens and 1 bakery. They will provide many facilities and amenities for our customer like spa, therapy, gym, baby activity rooms, swimming pools and vehicle facility for customers, free Wi-Fi, parking, driver room, laundry, salon and parlor. Now I am telling about my internship. I was joined on 22 December 2019. Then I met HR manager Mr. Dinesh. He is very nice and helpful person. Then we submit our documents, medical certificate and identity to him. After that I am choose F&B department. I am not feel well because it was my first experience, and after that I experienced a lot, like how to do good services for the clients. And after 2 months, I shifted my department's F&B to front office. This is my favorite work area. When my first day in the front office, I was feel like professional because there are skilled and nice staff. Their help to me operating their WinHM software. In front office, I learned many things. I can't complete my internship due to lockdown, so I missed my other departments. So this is my all about of industrial training. I have suggestion for you. If you want to come in this industry, so you have to struggle a lot. Thank you. Have a nice day.